Welcome to our guide on how to delete a message in a Messenger group chat on PC. Let's dive into the steps to effectively manage your group chat messages. Step 1. Begin by navigating to messenger.com on your PC and logging into your Messenger account. Step 2. Open the group chat conversation where the message or photo you want to delete is located. Step 3. Hover your cursor over the message or photo that you wish to remove within the group chat. Step 4. A set of options will appear. Click on More to access additional message management options. Step 5. Within the menu that appears, select Remove. Then confirm the deletion by clicking Remove once more. By following these steps, you can seamlessly delete a message or photo in a Messenger group chat on your PC. Keeping your group chat organized and clutter-free enhances the communication experience for all group members. Thank you for following along with our tutorial. We hope this guide helps you effectively manage your messages within Messenger group chats on your PC. Enjoy a streamlined messaging experience by utilizing the message deletion feature in Messenger group conversations.